All right, folks, did not expect this delivery today, but I got my new camera. I'm so happy. Yes, this is the D7500. The last one I had was the D5600. So they've had, I think 71 or 7200 was the next one up, and then this one. To some professionals, this one is considered maybe obsolete because it's an older camera. It's brand new to me, and this is exactly what I wanted. So it also comes with the Super HD telephoto. This is a 420 by 800 millimeter telephoto lens. So I'm trying to do some telephoto stuff. And open it up. One-year warranty, help us go green. Flip it open. Oh! Oh, that's dope. I guess you can see it right there. I'm not sure. It says 7500 right there. All right. The Nikon 18 by 140 lens. That's that. Comes with two 64 gigabyte memory cards. It only has one slot for one, but still, that's your backup. This is the battery charger. I'll get that in a minute. This is the extra battery. I believe there's a battery with it already, but this is a battery. Here's the strap. And the cable to recharge when you plug in for to charge up the battery. And this is the strap, the piece to use to strap on. So I am pleased with what I got, and I plan on taking a whole lot of pictures before the summer now. Okay? But Nikon D7500, I've been wanting this camera for a few years. Did not expect it today, and I got it, so happy Saturday to you and me, but mostly to me. Thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos later.